Running a school is hard. It's a constant struggle to balance the demands of teachers, students, and parents. And everything is vying for the same dollar: tuition, books, computers, athletics, and developing new curriculums. And don't forget rising energy and maintenance costs for the building itself. In fact, the Department of Energy estimates that about 33% of the energy consumed in the average U.S. school is wasted. The country's least energy-efficient schools use nearly 4 times as much energy per square foot as the most energy-efficient schools. But making your school more energy efficient takes money, doesn't it? But picture this. What if your utility offered to upgrade your school's facility with energy-efficient equipment, debt-free, with no investment? And what if the utility gave you a share of those savings just for letting them do it? Sounds pretty good, right? No capital, no debt, just paying less for what you already use. Well, unfortunately, utilities don't work this way. But that's where Onsite Utility Services Capital comes in. Onsite Utility Services Capital serves as your on-site utility service, converting raw electricity and gas into usable forms of energy like light, hot water, heating, and cooling for less money than you currently spend. Onsite Utility Services Capital calls this energy savings as a service. Actually, you've been buying energy as a service from the local utilities all of your life. You didn't make an investment in the power plant or take on any debt. You just pay a monthly fee for electricity and gas. Of course, you are responsible for all of the equipment that converts that power into usable energy. But when Onsite Utility Services Capital steps in, your equipment is upgraded and made energy efficient with no investment from your school. We partner with you to become your on-site utility service provider, requiring no debt from you, while providing savings off both your current energy and your maintenance costs. On-site Utility Services Capital invests in and maintains our energy equipment that we install at your school, from LED lights, rooftop HVAC, to walk-in coolers for your cafeteria. We provide the lumens, heating, and cooling you need at a discount from what you currently spend. After all, you don't need to own the power plant to get energy. So why should you have to own light fixtures, air conditioning, and heating equipment to use energy? You can save on your capital and energy expenses and focus your bottom line on growing and educating the next generation. Partner with Onsite Utility Services Capital as your on-site utility provider for your school today and make a real difference.